Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.43 trillion. We are down 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance has currently be sitting at 38.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are starting to see quite a bit of green across the board, especially in the last 24 hours. Nice dips being bought up, and that's exactly what we want to be seeing right now. If you guys don't know, we did see a major bloodbath across the board over the last 24 hours, causing the markets to plummet mainly due to the Bitcoin price. And what have I been mentioning, guys? If you are a regular viewer on my channel, I have been mentioning, guys, Bitcoin is sitting at some critical price levels, and until we do not reach that $60,200 mark, I still believe we're not out of the woods just yet. And we did see the bears win yesterday, and which caused the price of Bitcoin to go all the way down to $43,000, and that did not come as a surprise to me, to be quite frank with you guys. But still, guys, that was a beautiful opportunity to be scooping up some dips. If you wanted to dollar cost averaging, that might have been the time to do so. And you guys can see, this is why I have been mentioning to you guys that the Q4, we're in a bull run. Market is prime, just hitting all-time highs after all-time highs. Especially Q4, guys, it's a bull season, and it tends to be very bullish. Even if though we did see quite a bit of red across the board, that dip is being bought back up very quickly, and you can see the market. You can literally see numbers speak for itself. Market is being bought back up very quickly, and the momentum is still definitely there. We cannot forget the fact that these kind of corrections will come no matter what, because the market is unregulated and we have to be prepared for that. That's why we're always monitoring the Bitcoin charts on the daily basis. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is none other than Polygon Matic, because Polygon Matic has been absolutely killing it, guys. So my Matic family, right off the bat, I want to say congrats. You guys are making absolutely crazy gains, and I just want to say you guys deserve it. Looking at the Polygon Matic's price, by the way, if you are a Matic holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end. Looking at the price right now, we are currently trading at $1.97. We're up 15.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 9.6% in Bitcoin and 0.8% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Polygon has jumped up quite a bit in the rankings, and we're currently sitting at top 16 in cryptocurrency market ranking. Market cap right now is $13.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $3.2 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 10,300%. So let's not tend to forget that when we are looking at the prices. But now let's get into the exciting stuff, what's happening with the Matic's price and where are we going in the immediate short term. So that's what we want to be talking about. Right off the bat, guys, something I want to mention to you Matic holders is that, remember, I predicted this breakout towards the upside. We saw that happen exactly, but we were unable to break out of this level of resistance. One thing to point out to you guys is that these lines that I have made up, they're not some ordinary lines, guys. You can see we jumped up quite a bit, but we did not manage to reach to this point. And because this is a nice level of resistance for Matic, so it does need more pressure on its side to really break out of this zone. But what happened was that we did see price fall towards the downside, and obviously we kind of got unlucky. We saw the Bitcoin price fall, and we did see Matic go all the way down. Let me bring out the measuring tool for you guys. Matic went down, guys, about 32%. 32% in the last 24 hours. And look at this once again. This you cannot make this up, guys. Look, we saw it go all the way down to this $1.52 range. That's a big major level of support for Matic, and boom, we were bought back up. And look at this recovery, guys. So if you had some orders placed in around here at this $1.50 mark, you might be doing quite well right now. That might have been a beautiful time to be scooping up some Matic. And If you were able to pick some Matic up around there, let me know in the comment section below because I would love to know that. But you can see we saw a beautiful recovery towards the upside. We even went back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but we did see it, not hold around here. But you guys know what this is showing us. This is showing us none other than the momentum itself the Matic is building. When Bitcoin dipped, one thing to point out, when Bitcoin dipped, obviously Matic had its own reaction to the Bitcoin price. Definitely it's going to go down with the Bitcoin price, but the type of recovery that it made is very, very impressive, and that should literally speak a lot of volume as to where Matic is really headed to even this month of December. Even after we saw that price correction, I still believe it's not over for the cryptocurrency market. We're still about to end this month off with a bullish scene. So get ready, guys. We are about to lift off, and for Matic, guys, it's just a matter of time we get back into this 23.6, and then this is the next target, the $2.40. So buckle up, Matic holders. We are about to break out of here, and this is the zone that should be on everyone's eye, especially if you're a Matic holder. You want to be looking at that $2.45 mark. Once Matic breaks out of there, guys, then it's basically party time, and then it basically confirms, gives us a confirmation that we are headed toward all-time highs. And all-time highs, guys, it's price discovery mode. There's no level of resistance, level of support, so price can literally fly as high as it wants. It all comes down to the amount of buying pressure that is on its side. And one thing that's very exciting that I have been noticing, and not a lot of people are talking about it here on CryptoZX channel, we look at every single thing, and if we are bringing out the staking rewards website, you guys can see Polygon is increasing in the total stake value. If we were literally just sitting at 22% 2-3 months ago, and we have jumped up all the way up to 28%, guys. 28% of the circulation supply is off the exchanges. It is being staked right now, and more people, as more and more people find out about the Matic staking and what the Matic project really is all about, this number is not only just going to stick at 28%, it's only going to go up. And Matic is a very, very unique project. I have covered them for quite a while, and if you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know I've been following Matic literally from its beginning days, since Binance IEO. So I'm quite familiar with this project, and this project has gone up quite tremendously, and they deserve each and every part of the gain that they have made over the past 2-3 years, and it's very, very impressive. But this number, guys, you should not be ignoring this, because what does this number do? You may be asking, CryptoZX, what does this mean? What does this? Okay, 28% of the staking value staked. Great. What's so good about that? Okay, let me tell you guys a basic rule. If you guys know, there's a basic rule in economics. It's called supply and demand. So basically, we are seeing a supply shock occur with Matic's price right now. We're just seeing a trickling effect. We're not seeing it at its peak. We're seeing a trickling effect of that happening, a supply shock. But basically what that is when there is high demand and there's less supply, so meaning that the higher stake the overall value is, the lower the coins are on central exchanges to be purchased. What happens to the price then? So if the demand keeps increasing, the supply is very, very low. What is going to happen to the price, guys? It's gonna skyrocket, and that's what we're seeing right now. A perfect example of a coin that is literally in its peak of a supply shock is Solana. Just go look at the charts, guys. Absolutely insane. You cannot make it up. And even with the Bitcoin price correction, it has been rebounding very, very quickly. So that really shows you the power of staking. And if you're in for the long haul, especially for Matic, guys, you guys know what to do. You want to be staking your Matic and earning passive income, because your holding will get bigger and bigger as time goes by. And some people, like I said, I have mentioned in my previous video, some people I personally know that picked up Matic literally since it was below a penny. Literally, hear me out, guys. It was below a penny, and they never sold. They're still holding, and they believe in the project. And this really goes to show where you could be if you really do pick the right project. You have done your due diligence and research. This shows you what patience will get you, guys. And those guys could sell now. They're already doing quite well. They could sell it now, get all the money. But no, they believe in the project, they know where it's going, and that's what patience gets you. And that's what I always try to tell you guys, you need to have patience in this market, and I cannot stress this enough. And one thing also before I end this video is that you guys do not want to be falling for these whale tactics, guys. Right now, what we saw happen with the Bitcoin price, you guys can see we saw Bitcoin. What have I been mentioning on my channel? Please, guys, leave in the comment section below if you agree with me, if you remember what I always said. You guys, I kept on saying, guys, we need to break out of this range. We need to break out of this level of resistance. We need to stay above here. We need to see Bitcoin stay above $60,293 level. But what happened? Bitcoin was unable to do that. And I always mention, guys, until we break out of the zone, we're still not out of the woods just yet. And as a matter of fact, a couple days after, us having us creating higher lows, then what happened was we did see Bitcoin break towards the downside, and we did see this level of support play out for us at $43,525 level. But this did not come as a surprise to me. So right now, I still believe it's definitely not over. We're still headed, back to all-time highs, and we are in just a matter of days. I do see us making this recovery very fast. But in order for me to have a confirmation, I need Bitcoin to break out of $59,000. Once we break out of there, then it basically confirms to me that we are headed towards all-time highs. Looking at the BTC dominance, we are seeing BTC dominance declining, but it has been hovering around this level, so nothing has changed on that side of the spectrum. So Bitcoin price needs to be monitored very, very quickly. But again, guys, look, Bitcoin is sitting at $49,000. We were literally at $58,000. From $58,000, we're currently sitting at $49,200 mark. But look at Matic, guys. Look at Matic. Just look at Matic. We are down. We are down. So you know what? Let's bring this out to you guys. We're down 16.3%. Compared to where we were yesterday, guys. 16.3% from where we were just yesterday before we saw this price correction. Absolutely insane. It's holding very, very strongly, and I do expect a breakout this month, guys. So Matic holders, buckle up. Time is coming, and $3 to $3.50 is my next price target for Matic. Let me know in the comment section below where you guys think Matic will be going at the end of December. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Some people are saying Matic could hit $5 at the end of this year, and it does not surprise me. The momentum is building up. There's a lot of pressure coming in, and I do see that as a very strong possibility very, very soon. And we're turning back into the green. We're sitting at $1.97 when I upload this video. We might be already back into the 23.6 and slowly start heading towards this $2.45 mark, which I do see us breaking in the next coming days. So right now we need to be monitoring the Bitcoin situation very, very closely. But overall, when it comes down to Matic, guys, Matic is looking very, very strong, and I do expect all-time highs very, very soon. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see Matic go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below, and thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. I love you guys, and always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. Thank you so, so much once again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Literally, that's all I ask for. And stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.